What's up, YouTube? It's The Pace with another Dead Mall video. This is the sequel to the Cumberland Terrace video. And shout out to fellow YouTuber Dead Militia for the recommendation on 1240 Bay Street. Let's check them all out. So 1240 Bay Street was built in 1967 and is generally an office space, but the lobby is technically considered as a shopping mall. It's also known as a Class C building, so it does require a lot of renovation. But let's check this out. I mean, it does have a similar vibe to Cumberland Terrace from the outside. What does it look like on the inside? And right off the bat, it's in the heart of Yorkville, where you have plenty of shops. You have all of the designer stores like Louis V, Chanel, Montclair. It's quite a poppin' area for shopping, as well as restaurants. And it's great for families and friends if you do have that budget. So why is there a dead mall here like Cumberland Terrace? Is this even a dead mall? Does it require renovation? I would like you guys to judge it, and I'm going to take you through it right here. But right off the bat, there are some storefronts that are quite active already. And looking at the list of shops that are inside here, it seems like it's well, I guess, put together for the area. You got a handbag repair, you got aesthetics, you got a hair studio, jewelry. It's kind of bougie for the area. And it looks like, yep, there is an entryway to the subway station. So let's walk into 1240, and right off the bat, yep, that sign and that text looks like it's stuck in the 60s and has not been touched since then. And it looks like the brick on the wall as well as the floor might be the original from the 1967 build. I'd probably say 90s at the latest if there were any renovations. That was a convenience store to the left of me. That guy did not look like he was happy to see me. But there is the jewelry store, a little bit empty at first glance in the hallway. There's the bespoke suit maker. And yep, the flooring kind of just follows throughout. There is a barbershop that does have a client in it, and there is a person sitting there, and something Cumberland Terrace did not have is security. There's another entryway, which we'll see on the way out. And then that hallway to the right of me was the office buildings that is accessible by card key. But for the most part, a lot of these buildings are lit up. There is one building inside there, or unit that was for lease. And it looks like the business just moved out. But yep, there it is right there. Looks like it used to be a pharmacy. But besides that, yeah, like there's not a lot of people inside. That right there is a Momo restaurant, very active. But benefit of the doubt, all of these places seem to have exterior entrances. And there's Cumberland Terrace right there. If you want to see the video, that is a dead mall. But is this really considered a shopping mall? I'd say it's probably more so a lobby or retail lobby space to the offices above. But let's take a look at the outside entrances for all of these shops. And this is probably where the majority of the traffic for these stores have come in. That looks like it used to be an optometry or glasses store. I'm sure there's a technical term for that. But then there's some of these retail shops. Looks like, yeah, there's someone buying something right there. Not sure what the Webley is, but it looks like it is lit up at the moment and someone's inside there. It is definitely in the heart of this mall, and there is the other entry to Bay Street, 1240 Bay Street. There's the barbershop again, and then there is the bespoke custom suit maker. So a lot of these shops have been here for years. And this bar here might be the most earliest edition. But besides that, this mall is still fairly active, and I wouldn't really call it dead. I might not even call it a mall. It probably is more of a lobby. But it is good to see that these shops are still thriving, or at least surviving at the moment. But yeah, it'd be cool to see what becomes of this space in about 2 to 5 years. Maybe we'll visit it again for a future video. But for now, I want to say thank you to Dead Militia for the recommendation. And let me know in the comments if there's any other locations around Toronto that you'd like me to see. Why not? Let's check it out. Let's see what Toronto has to offer. But until next time, have a good one.